Hello and welcome to my channel Learn with Surbhi. And finally, this is the last part of algebraic identities. Dear students, we have already learned many things about this topic in our previous videos. You can go through with those videos by just pressing the I button that is given at the top right corner of this video. Also, I have provided the links in the description of this video. Question number 4. Simplify the following. Part 1 a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. बहुत easy है. In term 1 use identity first and in term 2 use identity 2. जब आप इसको ओपन करेंगे कुछ टर्म्स आपकी क्रॉस हो जाएंगी and then you will get the answer. Part 2 3x plus 7y whole square minus 3x minus 7y whole square. Again for term 1 use identity 1 and for term 2 use identity 2. जब आप इसको खोल देंगे टर्म्स क्रॉस हो जाएंगी and then you will get the answer. Part 3 6a plus 5b plus 4c whole square minus 6a minus 5b minus 4c whole square. Just use expansion of the square of a trinomial. Let's see how we will do this question. In this question, this is the expansion of the trinomial a square, that is square of 6a plus square of 5b plus square of 4c plus 2ab, that is 2 multiplied by 6a multiplied by 5b plus 2bc, that is 2 multiplied by 5b multiplied by 4c plus 2ca, that is 2 multiplied by 4c multiplied by 6a minus bracket start a square, that is square of 6a plus square of b, that is square of minus 5b plus square of c, that is square of minus 4c plus 2ab, that is 2 multiplied by 6a multiplied by minus 5b plus 2bc, that is 2 multiplied by minus 5b multiplied by minus 4c plus 2ca, that is 2 multiplied by minus 4c multiplied by 6a. Now simplify this algebraic expression. So I got square of 6a, that is 36a square plus 25b square plus 16c square plus 2 6 are 12, a 12a multiplied by 5b we get 60ab plus 2 5 are 10, 10 4s are 40, 40bc plus 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48 ca. Now open this bracket minus 36a square. Square of minus 5b we get 25b square, and when we open this bracket we get minus 25b square. Square of minus 4c we get plus 16c square. जब हमने ये ब्रैकेट खोला तो हमें मिलेगा minus 16c square. After multiplying these we get minus 60ab. पर जब हम ये ब्रैकेट खोलेंगे हमें मिलेगा plus 60ab. When we simplify this part we get plus 40bc as minus minus plus. But when we open this bracket we get minus 40bc. When we simplify this part we get minus 48ca. But when we open this bracket we get plus 48ca. There is a bracket. Okay. Now see 36a square minus 36a square, cross it. 25b square minus 25b square, cross it. 16c square minus 16c square, cross it. 60ab plus 60ab we get 120ab. 40bc minus 40bc, cross it. 48ca plus 48ca we get 96ca. So this is our answer, that is 120ab plus 96ca. Part 4th, we have to simplify this algebraic expression. Dear students, for this part we can use identity third, that is a minus b multiplied by a plus b, where we have considered a square as a and b square as b. So using identity third for this part and identity 2 for this part, as this is a minus b whole square, and we have considered a square as a and b square as b. Now use these identities. What we will get? We get square of a square minus square of b square minus, open this algebraic expression by using identity 2. So we will get square of a square plus square of b square minus 2 multiplied by a square multiplied by b square. Now open this bracket and simplify these terms. We get a raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4 minus a raised to the power 4 minus plus minus, that is b raised to the power 4 minus minus plus, we get 2a square b square plus a raised to the power 4 minus a raised to the power 4, cross it, we get minus 2 b raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4, we get minus 2 b raised to the power 4 plus 2a square b square, and this is the answer. Question number 5. Evaluate the following by using a suitable identity. Part 1. Square of 399, we can write it as 400 minus 1 whole square. So we have to use identity 2, that is a minus b whole square. Part 2. Square of 62, we can write it as 60 plus 2 whole square, and we can use identity a plus b whole square. In part 3rd, 103 multiplied by 97, we can write it as 100 plus 3 multiplied by 100 minus 3. This is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So use identity 3rd. Part 4th, square of 10.1, we can write it as 10 plus 0.1 whole square. So by using identity first, we can solve this question also. Part 5th, square of 85 minus square of 75. This is a square minus b square. So by using identity 3rd, we can get 85 plus 75 multiplied by 85 minus 75. Now solve it by yourself. Part 6. 291 multiplied by 309, we can write it as 300 minus 9 multiplied by 300 plus 9. We can use identity 3rd, that is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. We get a square minus b square. Do it by yourself. Question number 6. Evaluate x. If 36x is given, that is equal to 78 square minus 42 square. We can do it like this by using identity 3rd. A plus b, where a is 78 and b is 42, multiplied by a minus b. So we get 120 multiplied by 36. Now to find the value of x, we can write it as 120 multiplied by 36 divided by 36. 36 crossed by 36. So the answer is 120. In part 2, again we can use identity 3rd, that is a square minus b square, as this is square of 8.1 and this is square of 1.9. 8.1 plus 1.9 we get 10. 8.1 minus 1.9 we get 6.2. To find the value of x, put 6.2 at the denominator place on right hand side. 6.2 crossed by 6.2. So the answer, that is the value of x, is equal to 10. Number 7, we have to factorize these expressions. Minus 4z, we can split this part as minus 11z plus 7z. Then we can factorize this expression easily. Part 2nd, we can split 25x as 9x plus 16x, as 16 9s are 144. So split 25x as 9x plus 16x and factorize this expression. Part 3rd, x square plus 5x minus 104. Factors of 104 are 13 and 8. So 13x minus 8x, we get 5x. So use 13x and minus 8x to find the factors of this expression. Part 4th, This is a square minus b square. We can write it as 7x whole square minus 8 square. So use identity third to solve this expression. Part 5th. Dear students, this is a tricky question. Let's see how we will solve this question. In this question, we have to rearrange the terms. We can write it as x square minus bracket start. Take this term first, that is y square. हमने माइनस बाहर ले लिया है तो it will become positive y square plus 2y, क्योंकि माइनस हम बाहर ले चुके हैं, it becomes plus 2y plus 1. वही बात कि हमने माइनस ब्रैकेट के बाहर ले लिया है. नाउ यूज आइडेंटिटी फर्स्ट टू सॉल्व दिस एंड दैट इज a plus b whole square where a is equal to y and b is equal to 1. A square is y square, b square is 1, 2ab, that is 1 multiplied by y multiplied by 2, we get 2y. So using identity 1, we get x square minus y plus 1 whole square. Now for this expression we can use identity third, that is a square minus b square. अब आप आगे कर सकते हैं खुद. Part 6. We can use identity second to consider 2x minus y as a and 3 as b. So use identity 2 to solve this expression, that is a minus b whole square. In part 7, rearrange these terms. We can write it as x square minus x minus xy plus y. Now take x as common from these two terms. We get x minus 1 minus, अब इस पार्ट में से हम माइनस y कॉमन ले सकते हैं, so we are left with x minus 1. So the factors will be x minus y and x minus 1. Part 8. बेटा जितना ये बड़ा दिख रहा है क्वेश्चन उतना ही ये आसान है. इसमें हमें क्या करना होगा? इस पार्ट में we have to consider 9x plus 1 as a और इस पार्ट में हमें कंसीडर करना होगा 5y plus 2 as b. Now use identity a plus b whole square. Part 9th. This is a square plus b square plus c square. So use identity a plus b plus c whole square. और हमें ध्यान रखना होगा नेगेटिव साइन हमें किस टर्म के साथ लगाना होगा. Do it by yourself. Question number 8. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 8 is given and
for this type of questions refer the previous videos.
इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें सिंपल इस पार्ट में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों का स्क्वायर कर दीजिए. Then you can get the value of x square plus 1 by x square easily. In question number 9, again you have to do the square of left hand side and right hand side. So you will get the value of a square plus 1 by a square. In solving this question, we have to do the reverse process of question number 8 and 9. इसमें हमें क्या करना होगा? हमें इस पार्ट का स्क्वायर करना होगा. That is a plus 1 by a whole square. We get a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Now put the value of a square plus 1 by a square, that is given 23. So 23 plus 2 and we get 25. To find the value of a plus 1 by a, we have to square root of 25 and the answer will be 5. Likewise, you can do the question 11th by yourself. You have to square this part. Question number 12. Simplify this expression. Let's see how we will do this question. In this question, we can write 2.3 multiplied by 2.3 as square of 2.3 minus square of 0.3 divided by square of 2.3 minus 2 multiplied by 2.3 multiplied by 0.3 plus square of 0.3. Now we can use identity third for numerator, that is a square minus b square, and identity 2 For denominator, that is a minus b whole square, we can write it as 2.3 plus 0.3 multiplied by 2.3 minus 0.3 divided by 2.3 minus 0.3 whole square. In the next step, we can write it as 2.3 plus 0.3, we get 2.6. 2.3 minus 0.3, we can write it as 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2.3 minus 0.3, that is 2 square, that is 4. 2 से आप क्रॉस कर दीजिए 2. So 2.6 divided by 2, we get 1.3 as answer. Question number 13. If 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to minus 1, we have to find the value of 9x square plus 16y square. बेटा इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस करने के लिए हमें ये देखना होगा कि जिसकी वैल्यू हमें निकालनी है, व्हाट इज गिवन 9x स्क्वायर, और 9x स्क्वायर हमें कैसे मिल सकता है, अगर हम 3x का स्क्वायर करेंगे वी विल गेट 9x स्क्वायर. तो इस कंप्लीट इक्वेशन का अगर हम स्क्वायर करते हैं तो मे बी हमें आंसर मिल सकता है. लेट्स ट्राई. सो वी हैव टू डू द स्क्वायर ऑफ 3x माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ 10. Let's see what we will get. We get 9x square, that is square of 3x, plus 16y square, that is square of 4y, minus 2 into 3x into 4y. This is identity second, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 10 square, that is 100. 9x square plus 16y square minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24x y is equal to 100. Now put the value of xy, that is given minus 1. 9x square plus 16y square minus 24 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 100. 9x square plus 16y square, when minus 24 multiplied by minus 1, we get plus 24. Plus 24 is equal to 100. Now the value of 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 100 minus 24, and the answer is 76. Question number 15. If a plus 1 by a is equal to 17 by 4, we have to find the value of a minus 1 by a. For this type of question, square this part as well as this part. So we get a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 17 by 4 whole square. And here we have to do the square of this part, that is a minus 1 by a whole square. Here we get a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 is equal to 289 divided by 4 4s are 16. और इस तरफ हमें क्या मिलेगा, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. To find the value of a square plus 1 by a square, we will get 289 by 16 minus 2. Now put the value of a square plus 1 by a square over here. What we will get? We get 289 by 16 minus 2 minus 2. So we get minus 4. That is 289 by 16 minus 4. After taking LCM, we get 289 minus 64, and that is equal to 225 divided by 16. Now dear students, we can see this is the square of a minus 1 by a, that is 225 by 16. To find the value of a minus 1 by a, we have to square root of 225 divided by 16, and the answer will be 15 by 4. Question number 1 from HOTS. The sum of x plus 3 observations is x raised to the power 4 minus 81, and find the mean of the observations. To find the mean of the observations, it means we have to divide this expression by x plus 3. X raised to the power 4 minus 81 divided by x plus 3. We can write it as square of x square minus 9 square, that is a square minus b square divided by x plus 3. Using identity third, open this, that is x square plus 9 multiplied by x square minus 9 divided by x plus 3. Again using identity third for this part. So we will get x square plus 9 multiplied by x plus 3 x minus 3 divided by x plus 3. X plus 3 crossed by x plus 3. So we are left with x square plus 9 multiplied by x minus 3, and this is the answer. Dear students, this is the last question of this topic, algebraic identities. This is the question from HOTS. The question is, the area of a circle is given by the expression, that is pi x square plus 10 pi x plus 25 pi, and we have to find the radius of the circle. Dear students, take pi as common from this expression, so we are left with pi bracket start x square plus 10x plus 25, and we know the radius of a circle is equal to pi r square. So this expression is equal to this, so we can write it as pi x square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to pi r square. Now we can write it as r square is equal to pi x square plus 10x plus 25 divided by pi. Pi crossed by pi. This expression can be written as x plus 5 whole square. To find the value of r, we have to square root of x plus 5 whole square, and we get x plus 5 units. So dear students, by this we have completed the topic algebraic identities. You may find many more topics of maths of classes 3rd, 4th, 5th and 8th also. So do like, share and comment. Also do not forget to subscribe my channel to get the immediate notification of the upcoming maths tutorial videos. Till then, bye bye.